Hello guys, if you've been hit with a limit warning or you're just trying to unlock your physical cash card, Cash App is going to ask you to verify your identity. It's a quick security check required by law, and today I'll show you how to get it through fast. So before we start, you need to know why it's super important. Without verification, Cash App caps your account at a strict $1,000 limit for sending and receiving per month. Once you verify, those limits are completely lifted and your account gets a massive security upgrade as well. So to get this done in one go, make sure you are at least 18 years old. You'll need your legal name, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your SSN. If the system needs a bit more proof, you'll also want to grab a physical, unexpired, government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or ID as well, or passport. Then open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down and select Security and Privacy. If you scroll down a bit more, you'll see the Identity Verification tab. So tap on Verify, as shown in this screenshot, to kick off the process. First, the app will ask you to type in your legal name, date of birth, and those last 4 digits of your SSN. And that's literally all there is to it. Once approved, your limits will instantly vanish, and your account is officially locked down and secure. Hopefully we helped you out with this one. Enjoy verification, and thank you for watching.